RV maintenance is an integral part of being a do-it-yourself RVer. Along with handling repairs and upgrades, we try to perform as much of our own maintenance as possible. But we've talked several times before about the reasons we don't handle everything ourselves, and the decision-making process that each RVer might use to figure out their comfort level when it comes to tackling certain projects. Last year, we announced that Cummins was offering special inspection and maintenance deals for RV Geeks viewers for a limited time. And since Cummins also owns Onan, they had RV Geeks specials on generator maintenance too. We'll tell you all about brand new Cummins RV Geeks specials in a minute. As we've mentioned before, there are more benefits to having a professional technician take care of certain routine maintenance tasks, besides handling large amounts of oil or having access to specialized tools and equipment, and of course their special training and skills. One of the biggest benefits is having professional eyes on our RV, especially in areas we wouldn't even know to look in. Last year, we shared our visit to Cummins Coach Care in Kamloops, BC, where they conducted the kind of detailed inspection that can uncover problems we would never have found ourselves. Like the time a few years ago when a technician spotted a leaky wheel seal on our tag axle. During our nearly 2 decades on the road, we've had Cummins Coach Care locations handle our annual engine and chassis maintenance and inspections more than any other shop. And we went back to the Kamloops facility again this year. This time, we were there for both routine maintenance and a specific problem we knew we weren't qualified to fix ourselves. Our dash air conditioning wasn't blowing cold. AC repair requires special equipment that no RVer could realistically consider carrying around on their rig, and special training and skills that most of us DIYers don't have. Cummins had everything they needed to diagnose and repair the problem. A fitting had failed, allowing the refrigerant to leak out of the system. While it happened to be fairly easily accessible, even if we'd known to look there, we wouldn't have been able to properly recharge the system with refrigerant. As far as we're concerned, air conditioning repair is a job for the pros. Cummins had a new part manufactured by a local supplier, and we had our AC blowing cold the very same day. But we'd also been having another problem for some time that we'd tried to fix ourselves: an engine belt that squealed loudly. At least that was what we thought it was. We'd sprayed belt dressing on it several times, but it just wouldn't go away. It only took our Cummins tech a couple of minutes to diagnose the actual problem: a blown exhaust manifold gasket and a warped exhaust manifold. If we hadn't brought our rig to a pro, we'd probably still be driving around with decreased power and fuel economy and potentially causing damage to our engine over a long period of time. Since we have a Cummins engine, we were in the perfect place to get our exhaust manifold replaced quickly and repaired right. We noticed an immediate improvement in fuel economy on our very next tank of fuel, and the engine is nice and quiet again. So we're excited to announce brand new maintenance and inspection specials for your motorhome's engine and chassis. And since Cummins owns Onan, generator specials are included too. Cummins sales and service locations throughout North America will be offering these special deals for a limited time. So if you're due for service, don't wait to find out more. Cummins set up a special landing page with more info. Visit now.cummins.com/RVgeeks for complete details. We'll include a link down below in the video description and in the first pinned comment. We'll also include details on our related blog post, which published today at thervgeeks.com. If you haven't already signed up to get our regular newsletters, we think you'll love the wide range of RVing content we've been creating for over a decade now. We hope this info can help you enjoy a better RVing experience. As always, safe travels, and thanks for watching.